schizophrenia, guys, it's in your head. Nasa hearing voices, paranoid ka because meron ka talagang and valid yun sa person is experiencing it, diba? But it's really an illness that is treatable once
Sorry, Ron.
kumbaga nakakita earlier, in the earlier stage. Kailangan talaga ang family support. And of course, there's the stigma to the illness. No? So, it's like any other disease, like diabetes, like it is that yun hindi siya yun. It's mental disorder. I've seen psychiatrists and I'm very broken about it. So, sa akin, seeing a shrink is just like seeing your ENT or seeing your cardiologist. Ganun din naman yun because we shouldn't be afraid to get help. So, nandun din naman. You really have to educate people na hindi pwedeng i-dismiss na ay balingin o ay naging lumalungan siya. Cannot dismiss because there is a cure.
Tungkol ito sa schizophrenia, tapos gusto ng producers na ipakilala yung schizophrenia bilang isang sakit na hindi dapat katakutan. Gusto nila na ipakilala sa publiko na yung schizophrenia ay pwede naman manage, hindi pwedeng tawag doon, ikahiya kung ang kamag-anak mo o ang malapit sa buhay mo ay mayroong schizophrenia. Ako, personally, nabigla ako nung pumunta kami doon kasi unang beses ko yun makapasok sa isang mental institution. Tapos, kinakausap namin yung director doon, sabi nila, gustuhin man nila na mas mapaganda yung kalagayan ng mga pasyente nila, kulang talaga sa budget. Kaya dito din sa pelikula, yung mga parinig kaming ganun sa pelikula na kesyo, hindi covered ng PhilHealth ang mga mental disorders. Tapos, hindi priority ng gobyerno yung pagsuporta sa mga mental disease. Kaya yun. So, lalo ka talagang madadown kapag pumunta ka doon sa... I mean, the doctors are doing their best, pero they need the government support.
Yeah, there was a video that they supplied na parang from the point of view of family natin. Then there's another one from the point of view of a person who has the illness. And then from the point of view of a doctor. So that I also nag-ano rin ako na YouTube videos of actual schizophrenic patients. Being interviewed. And so merong mga mannerisms and after the scene, mahirap bumitaw because so medyo slightly nakikita ko na nag-board sila tapos sinasabi ko na sila na hindi kailangan I just have to go down from kasi ang very intense okay lang ako pero ganun sabi ko it's so easy to cross the to cross the line but you really just have to say I'm gonna go there. Ang challenge really is to portray the character as honestly and truthfully as possible without going overboard, without going looking crazy.